You can buy with confidence and peace of mind at MNI Motors, located on Skokie Valley Road just north of Route 22. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Qualified vehicles are put through a rigorous 127-point safety inspection. The engine oil is replaced and fluids are topped off, and include a 3-month, 3,000-mile, limited vehicle protection warranty. MNI Motors is thrilled to bring you this 2013 Audi A5 Premium Plus Cabriolet, 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 and quattro permanent all-wheel drive. Brilliant black over black interior, a true triple black beauty, and equipped with multi-function steering wheel in leather. Power retractable soft top. Heated front seats. Audi navigation system. Sport alloy wheels. Dual zone electronic climate control system. Parking sensors and lots more. Here are a few extra words about the A5 Cabrio. Consumer Guide praises A5 for its acceleration and handling. Audi has always provided the public with aesthetically beautiful champion automobiles that perform as good as they look. This A5 Cabrio is no exception. Power, looks and then some. Call us to schedule a test drive today at 847-266-9200. Thank you for watching. Remember to like us on Facebook, and we hope to see one of our cars in your garage soon.